Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image by GPT Image 1.5. Nice model, nice lighting. Okay, this is a the original image. Then I enhanced this image. Then expand to this size. The image is this. Enhanced with Korea. And expand to this size with Adobe Photoshop. Then I made line drawing type image with fine edges on Adobe Photoshop. Change blend mode to luminosity, opacity 50%. Add over this base image. Got this halftone image. Then I duplicate base image, change blend mode to color, max opacity. Add over this halftone image. Then I got this nice saddle amber color. Okay, same layer, duplicate again. Now change blend mode to overlay, max opacity. Add over this image. Then I got this. Nice. Okay. From this to this. Lighten up. Okay, I'm gonna fix this image as a one layer better image. Make group, 4 layers. Then duplicate this group. Then flatten this group image. Okay, turn off this better layer. Then in this group, duplicate this line drawing type image. We got opacity 50%, luminosity double, 2 layers to get this light image. Over this light image, this is base image, right? I'm gonna combine models better image. Turn on this better layer. Add mask. Invert this mask. Open this mask with soft brush. Airbrushing to soft brush. Pick color. White. Max opacity. About this size. Okay. Let's see. Okay. That's only model's face. Alright, duplicate this better layer. Then bottom layer. Delete this mask. Then change blend mode to linear burn, color burn. This time, okay, I'm gonna pick this linear burn. Yeah, nice contrast. Okay, keep it linear burn blend mode. Then add layer. Fill this layer with white. Then change this white layer to clipping mask. Okay. Now paint on this white clipping layer to get this dark image. Okay. Let's see, add some shadow area. Change brush to drawing to evolve. Then add color. Amber color. Go from this. Okay, go from about this. Now change tool to smudge tool. Use same texture, drawing to evolve. Now smudge this white clipping layer. Okay, nice textures. Okay, now add some light colors. Then again, change tool, smudge tool. Okay, now let's see. Add gradation colors over this. Add layer. Then now change brush to soft brush. Add color. Okay, then add mask. Invert this mask. Now open this mask to show these gradation colors. But before I open this mask, I'm gonna add white layer underneath. Just duplicate this white clipping layer. Then upper layer, change back to normal layer, no clipping. Then let's see, open this mask to show gradation colors. Okay, I want to see the image underneath, so just tone down this opacity down, about this. Then open this mask, brushes evolve, then go from not max opacity, about 60%. Okay. Very subtle colors. Okay, now fix this mask. Okay, add gradation colors. Okay, now I want to show the background image. That's this. So add mask over this white layer. Painted or white layer. Add mask. Then bring this opacity back to max. Now mask this white layer. Brushes same evolve texture. Change color to black. Opacity, breathing opacity. About 25% or so. Big, pretty big size. Okay. Okay. This white layer is gonna be white border, sort of. But I'm gonna control with density. Okay, now darken this mask. Max opacity, small size. Okay, then smudge this textures. Okay, now play around with these colors. That's from this color. So smudge this too. Okay, now okay, let me see, open model's image, blending with smudge tool. Okay. Overall image. Let's see. Okay. Now I wanna fix model's skin tone. Yeah, layer. Then change blend mode to color. Then touch tone down yellowish color. Then warm up. Then fix this mask a little more, less textures, yeah. Okay, then lighten model's highest light. So use this line drawing type image, duplicate, move this one all the way top. Change blend mode to divide. Opacity about this. Add mask. Invert this mask. Open with the soft brush. Give it nice highest light. Clean up dark lines. Yep. Okay. Now, let's see. Touch. Fix overall image. Details. These masks. Okay, I wanna add warm up background. And maybe use this color layer. Okay, then I may darken edge of this white border, so over this white layer, add layer, then change blend mode to linear burn, then add mask. Okay, just make mask like so, then darken edge with soft brush. Okay, not too dark. Yep. Okay, from this base enhanced image, add luminosity blend mode, double, add color blend mode, add overlay blend mode. Over this base image, add linear burn color, pretty dark, add white clipping layer, painted, touch shadow area. Then add model's better layer, better image, like so, with mask. Then add gradation colors. Then add white border with mask. Then warm up model's skin tone and warm up overall image with color blend mode. Then add highest light over model's edge light to clean up dark lines. Then darken edge of this white border. Yep, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope you're gonna find some idea for your creative work. You guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day. And thank you.